Meet the elephants, the gentle giants. Behind their massive size, they have extraordinary sensitivity when it comes of their emotions. These incredible animals show empathy, mourn their dead, and comfort those in distress. Through soft trunk gestures and low rumbles, elephants express affection and stay connected. They built on loyalty and love, despite their size and strength. Also, they feel fear and sometimes angry as a reminder of their sensitivity emotions. Elephants react what the action you do. You show love to them, and they love you. As their family, the elephant is truly a gentle giant. Protect the elephant.